MakeID D50, a compact 2-inch printhead desktop label printer. Space-saving design, enabling flexible mobile working experience. Compact size, but giant performance. Larger printing area. Larger labels, more information. Extensive device compatibility. Anytime, anywhere. Enjoy intelligent operation. Enjoy auto cutter. Cuts paper faster for efficient work. In addition, 300 dpi high-resolution printing, easy design with rich materials. OLED display provides real-time printer status monitoring, diverse integrated consumables available, flexible label options, electrical labeling, facility identification, pipe markers, wire and cable, labs, MakeID D50, compact size, giant performance.